Hi sir, okay po ba itong Diversified Lines Petroleum Services Company? Diversified Lines Petroleum Services Company is a company headquartered in Alcobar City. It's a company supplying contracting services to big corporations and big companies here in Saudi Arabia, particularly oil and gas and other energy related companies. Ang kumpanya na ito ay nagsusupply din ng mga commercial coating and other services para sa mga malalaking kumpanya dito sa Saudi Arabia. And if you are given around 4,000 or 5,000 above riyal as a starting salary here in Saudi Arabia, actually this is really good. Malaki po ito lalong-lalo na sa mga first timers dahil usually ang mga profesyon na ito as a machinist ay mga nasa 2,000 below or at least 2,000 or 3,000 riyal lang. So ang inyong offer ay okay po ito. Yes.